Arise! Wake up the destitute of my world, shake the doors and walls of the palace of the elite. Ignite the blood of slaves with the fire of conviction, make the sparrows fight against the falcons. The time of the sultanate of democracy has come. Erase any design that challenges your vision. From the field that doesn't yield sustenance to the farmer, set fire to every ear of wheat in that field. Why do veils persist between the Creator and the creation? Raise the old church from the church itself. Prostrate before the truth, circumambulate the idols. It is better to extinguish the lamps of the shrine and temple. I am unhappy and helpless with the chains of marble. Create a shrine of clay for me instead. Civilization is a glassworker's workshop. Teach the manners of passion to the poet of the East.